Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how incredibly easy it is to put in a Halo Couture hairpiece. The first thing you're going to do is, usually I wave my hair a little bit. I use a 1-inch curling iron, but you're going to take like a 2-finger section, that's about 1 inch, and you're just going to use any rat tail comb that you have, and you're going to separate the hair from that 1-inch section down around like the bottom occipital part of your head and clip it up. And then you're gonna take your halo. This is one of the there's one more that's longer than this. This is the 22-inch halo, so it's really long. But my hair is fairly long, so that's it. You drop the hair, and the best way to get this part seamless and to not see the, it's kind of like a fishing wire, is to comb it like that. And it's so easy and it blends in so good. It's kind of crazy that this color, this halo, was actually mine from when my hair was quite a bit darker, but you can see my darker hair underneath blends in perfectly with it, even though my highlights are quite a bit brighter on top. And you can go back in with your iron and just like refresh it, but I mean, it's long. Look at that. So beautiful.